Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are on the second video review for the H13 Smartwatch, and on this video we are going to explore the menus and features of the H13 Smartwatch. So if you are interested to know the loaded menus or the loaded features for this smartwatch, watch this video and of course support our channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's proceed and explore the loaded menus and features for the H13 Smartwatch. Relax as Fit powered smartwatch. So here's the design of the wearable. So it is an entry-level smartwatch with a plastic body frame, rotary crown button, and a TFT 1.85-inch LCD screen. So let's check out the offered menus and features. For the UI, we have notifications on top. On the bottom part, we have a dashboard here for common applications. The same with our left side here. And for the right side, we have the widgets. You can add your own and remove a widget. So this is a rotary crown button. You can use this to go to the main or to the home page or to the front of the menus or to navigate on the menus. To access the main menu, you cannot use the crown button. I don't know why they changed it. It is the usual option here. But for the smartwatch, you need to swipe, go to the bottom part, and tap on all apps. Okay, so here are the loaded features. We have a multiple sports mode, and based on the icons here, I think it is just 9 sports functions. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, as expected. We have a sleep monitoring. We have a pedometer here. A heart rate monitoring. Let's see. Okay, sleep monitoring. We have a pedometer or automatic activity tracking. We have a heart rate monitoring. Blood pressure monitoring. Blood oxygen monitoring. We have push notifications. We also have here a Bluetooth call with support for call history, contacts or phone book, and dial pad. We also have here Bluetooth music, weather report. We have a calculator, alarm, sedentary reminder, a stopwatch, remote photo control. This is a Bluetooth remote photo control function. We have a voice assistant, find phone, car race, it's a game, going back, again, all apps. We have the torch, a calendar, contacts here, and here are the supported social apps. So these are the notification for the apps. We have Facebook, Twitter or X, WhatsApp application, and that's it. So this one, it is also included in the settings. It's also available here in the main menu. Additional health, we have uric acid, blood sugar, and blood fat. But I guess this one, including the blood pressure, is not that accurate. Okay, based on our own experience with other wearables with the same operating system and features. App view or menu style, we have at least 6. You have a QR code here of the app. It is Relax as Fit powered application. Multiple language support. we have drink water reminder. So I guess that's it for the loaded features of the H13 smartwatch. And here are the preloaded watch faces. Again, if you're going to take a look at the settings, let's double check. So we have here personal information, notification feature here, or notification options. We have general, it includes about, language, and reboot and shut down. Do not disturb mode, we also have here display and brightness, screen lock, dynamic island, time settings. So with this feature, you don't need to connect to the support app just to change the time. You can change to 12-hour to 24-hour format time directly here on the smartwatch. Sound and touch, and SOS. Home. Okay, so that's it for our unboxing review of the menus and features of the H13 smartwatch powered by the Lexus Fit application. Again, if you have any questions regarding the wearable, drop a comment below, like, share, and subscribe.